Hey guys, welcome back. I am popping on today to do a layout for the scrap room, and I am using a double shot kit. These are gorgeous. So this is from P13, and let me show you the goodies. Now this is one of the embellishments right here, and it's also a pattern paper, but P13 has these pattern papers with these pieces that you can detail cut out, which, let me grab my scissors. I'll be spending some time doing that. So this one is, they're all from Let Your Creativity Bloom. This is number 7. And what I'm going to be doing is concentrating on all of these florals in it. I know it's about creativity, but I keep looking at the florals and I'm so loving them. So I have that. Then I have number 2, which has kind of like these cute little rainbow kind of vibes. I'm looking at them though, every time I see them, I also see them as like wonky scallops. So I might be going that way with them. And then the back side is more of these gorgeous florals. It's like all of these soft, like subtle differentiations of pink and these great like green tones. And these little bits look like pearls. Okay, so then we have some really nice leafy bits. This is number 6. The back side has all of these paintbrushes, super beautiful looking. This is number 5, so it's like this really soft sagey kind of a color with leafy bits going up. And then there is a gorgeous cut apart sheet. So this would be really good for pocket scrapbooking as well. Then I have 2 sheets of twill cardstock by Basil, and I have 1 in mauve ice. So now I do know I'm going to start by cutting out lots and lots and lots of these florals because that's what I'm feeling. Oh, and guys, I also have this sticker sheet, and there are banner pieces that are really pretty. We've got these square bits right here. Little painting, more florals. So super, super pretty. This girl's knitting right here. So really pretty sticker bits too. The photo I'm going to use is, this is my oldest daughter, and her boyfriend were in Vegas. And I liked, I don't know, there's something soft and pretty. Even though they're in Vegas, it's a very soft, pretty looking photo in my opinion. So I'm going to cut out the florals. Now I also want to cut out a good section as scallop bits with this. And I'm wondering if I want to do scallop bits and then have this be my background. I'm kind of feeling that. Let me see what's on this. All right, which one did the scallop bits want to go on top of more? Maybe both. Maybe both. We're going to see. But this will be my background. It's kind of like the calmest tone-on-tone kind of vibe. So we'll get that. I think that's gorgeous. Now I also really am digging this twill with this. So let me see. It's like these beautiful subtle differentiations. So what I think I'm going to do is cut this. All right, I'm gonna have that be a fab 12 by 12. Then, oh, but wait, there's more. Then this, I'm gonna cut 11 and a half by 11 and a half. Just a little trim there, 11 and a half here. I'll get this popped onto here. I think I wanna scuff up the edges. Let me get my vintage scufferator going. And then this right here, I don't know why, but I have a feeling it needs to get, yeah, like we talked about. I think, you know what I'm gonna do? The bottom bit, oops, wrong way. The bottom bit, I'm just gonna tear off. Then I'm going to have, ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Let me cut that. I have an idea and it's starting to come together. Such a fun thing with design. You just kind of start. So I have that. I don't really want those paintbrushy bits to be as strong of a thing. I mean, they're gorgeous. I can do a strip of them. Can I do a strip of them? I can do a strip of them. I'm the boss of me. All right, let me get this. Some of that white off. Not gonna make this like the big thing of it, but I do like the color of it. My only about it is it's like white on white. So I'm wondering, would it be better if it was like duh, duh, duh? Maybe it should. Okay, all right. I can save this piece for doing the scallopy thing that I keep thinking for the next one because I have plenty of paper here. All right, so like that, a few little paintbrushes going up. I love it. All right, now I'm gonna spend about 2 years detail cutting out my flowers. Okie dokie, it is the next day. And no, it did not take me the entire day to cut these out, but I had life. So let's see. This little fella here is on some cheap craft foam. Why don't we go ahead and just attach that down. What do you guys think? Here-ish? Here-ish looks good. Here-ish. I do so love this color palette. We've got all of these tones of pink and soft greens, and it is really pretty. So what I want to do, I think I want to scuff up some of my edges too, but I just want to play a little bit and decide, now blue one's out, where all of these flowers would like to go. And I think they're just going to nestle in different heights all around. Oh, I do like this. All around my photo. I think that would be beautiful. And then I have this little bit. That would be pretty right in there. I think we have got the ticket. So I'm going to nestle in the greenery. I'm going to get a little bit of dimension and height with some of my cast off foam, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Guys, I'm filming this a couple days later and it is so gloomy outside. I'm wondering if we are expecting snow. And I also took off my glass mat from behind my my filming area because I realize it's affecting my colors. And when I just have my layout on my desk, they're so much truer. And it is a bummer because I love my glass mat. Anywho, so what I have here are all of my pieces, not all. I have all my bits layered up, dimension, all that kind of stuff. And I went ahead with our pink cardstock, and cut out the words explore, one word, explore. So I want to get that tucked in. And when I went ahead and cut it out, I just cut it out with a die, with alpha dies. I cut out each letter 3 times and stacked them up so I'd have a little bit of dimension with that. And I purposely left this bit here flat so that, where is my, it's gone, my T-square ruler. This is my not favorite one. Oh, okay. I left that area flat so I could just go ahead and pop my title there. And I also had more of this taupey color flowers there so the pink will pop more. Great. I also, at the same time, cut out a couple of leafy sprig things. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and get those pieces on. I have some white paint to do a little bit of splatty bit work, and I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, so we're at the point where I can do some splatty bits. So what I think I'm going to do, just cover my photo a little bit. I just have some white paint mixed with a little bit of water. And yes, I know there's a lot of white, but it makes it pretty. I am a great lover of the splatty bit. And I might bring in a couple sequins just because this pretty stuff kind of calls for it. Let's see. Oh, sorry, bulldogs. I have 2 bulldogs in the room with me right now, and I have 1 French bulldog. So we have a lot going on in here. And they're wanting to leave the room because they just heard my daughter, and all dogs love my daughter. It's how things are. So I'm gonna go hunt, I think, for a sequin or two, and or maybe some enamel dots, I don't know. I'm gonna go hunt for something sparkly. How's that? I'll pop it on and show you the still shots in a minute. But hold on, buddy. But let me show you my splatty bits. I think maybe just a little bit more closer to the photo. There we go. Then a little bit more over here. There we go. Showing off that we, sorry. Come here, buddy. So there we go with that. I'm gonna look just for some gems or splatty bits. I'm sorry, gems or enamel dots or something to tuck here and there. You'll see it in the still shot, but that is all for now. I'm gonna have links down below for the ScrapRoom website, which has the store and all that, blog and Facebook group. But bye for now, friends.